starting with right now. It's all rusty. I've been having this frame for a long time. It came with another lip mode on there that really wasn't worth nothing, but I'm just deciding to get it and restore it. This the before I do anything to it. Let y'all see where I'm starting at and how it look when I finish. But the good thing about it is I like that it have disc brakes. Got disc brakes on the front and it got disc brakes on the back. I like that about it. And the spring in the middle, I like the spring that's in the middle, so that is pretty good and it works still. Other than that, y'all stay tuned. With this right here, but I thought it'd look better because of this shine and the coat color of it. But I end up back doing with this, so this is more of the color that I wanted too. I just wanted that shine and that gloss to it, so this did the job. I like it. Plus it's like 2 times the coverage and it's a paint plus primer. And it sticks to metal, plastic even more. On it just to make it look cooler, because I'm always doing a little two-tone or something like that. So I put a couple of splashes and drips just to make it look better, do a little style to it. Got my package in from Amazon today. My pit bike handlebars. This is a mini pocket bike, but I'm gonna change the handlebars setup to this style. So I got it on there. And my handlebars finally came in. So I'm gonna change that up and do it like this. So make it more of a pit bike style. fair. So back brakes, front brakes. Okay, so we got the back tire on. Alright y'all, so I'm back. Have to go grab some screws. I needed 4 of them. I got them. Went to Ace Hardware just to grab a couple of them. It ain't nothing but like 5 minutes down the street from me, so. But see this motor here? This kind don't have the screws from right there. It's underneath. So I had to drill the holes up underneath. Okay. There's 2 right there. Gas line that I'm gonna use to put onto pocket bike. And lock it onto here. Push it all the way up on there. That's maybe good enough. And I'll put this onto it to make sure it stays. This one I put on, so just put a clamp around it. Hose clamp. Okay. Remember running this one. So here. My connector. But I'm gonna get a filter. Okay, so I'll show you the corners down so it can be round, because most of the time whenever you wrap it, it's gonna have the shape of what it is. I put the corners right here. I left this side up so I can make sure I know that that's the back of the seat. I cut out my board. It's the same exact size and the shape that I really wanted it to be, so it can fit my mini pocket bike. But I already put the holes and everything in it, so you might want to pre-drill your holes before you start on putting your seat and everything on. But this is where I'm at right now. This the seat, and this the material. But I'm gonna wrap this boy with. So this what it's gonna look like. Corners even.
almost even. Make sure this is enough room.